She's here. Here, give him to me. I'll hold Matthew. Tell us where we are. Where are we? And how do you like it here?
Good. I like the stuff over there.
Yeah. What did you see over there, Matthew? What did you?
Fish.
And what did the fish look like? A tropical fish?
There was a fish that was like a really like colorful, like the top of his eyes.
Matthew, did you see it too?
Yeah.
Was it fun?
Yeah. I couldn't find it with my goggles, and then I finally saw it, and it just like went right in my face.
Uh-oh, it looks like the water started hitting people's blankets.
Yep.
They better move their stuff, right?
It's gonna be a flood.
Look at Matthew all the way up there. Matthew, is it cold still?
Yes.
Matthew, people are going to think that you're retarded. Alright, maybe you should talk regular.
Okay.
How's the trip going?
Good.
Alright, you're too close. Just talk regular.